Roasted chicken is on the menu today. It's so moist, juicy and delicious. Watch till the end to see how I made this. Hello lovelies, let's get started. First you want to wash your chicken really well and pat it dry. The best chicken for this recipe is soft chicken. Don't use hard chicken, otherwise you will not get the best result. Over here are my spices. Go ahead and use any spices of your choice. I've got seasoning powder, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika powder, all-purpose seasoning, salt and fresh parsley. I'm going to add my melted butter. You can also use oil. The last thing to add is my soy sauce. I will mix very well to combine. Next, I will begin to rub the spices on the chicken, making sure that the spices are well distributed as demonstrated in the video. To make it filling, I will be adding potatoes. I will use the remaining spices for the potatoes. Mix very well to combine and allow the chicken and the potatoes to marinate for an hour or more. Next, I will place my rack, add the chicken and transfer in my preheated oven and bake for 45 to 50 minutes or until done. 50 minutes later, the chicken and potatoes are properly cooked. You guys, this recipe will melt in your mouth. It's so delicious. I hope you give it a try. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.